Ever wondered how to quickly find the phone number linked to your Messagebird account? First, log into your Messagebird account on a computer via their website. Once you are on the dashboard, focus your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or name. A drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, locate and select the settings option. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various preferences and details. Now, on the settings page, ensure that you are on the General tab, which is usually the default. Look for the section labeled phone number or similar wording here. You will find the phone number associated with your Messagebird account displayed clearly. You can copy the number directly from this field if needed by clicking the copy icon. This is especially helpful when setting up services with SMS or WhatsApp integration, ensuring accurate configuration. And just like that, you've successfully retrieved your Messagebird phone number. Knowing this information is vital for verifying your identity and correctly setting up your communication channels. Subscribe for more quick and easy Messagebird tutorials.